Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing B1 inequality notes. Make sure that you have your paper and your pencil and you're ready to follow along with me. Also, turn your volume up so that you can hear me as you watch the video. In our last folder, the A folder, we were talking about equations. An equation will always have an equal sign. Today we're going to focus on inequalities. So an inequality means that it is not equal. Okay, when we work with inequalities, we use 4 different symbols. So we have the less than symbol, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So an inequality is a mathematical sentence that contains any one of those 4 symbols. An equation has an equal sign, and inequality will have one of these. Okay, when we were working with equations, we were finding the solution to the equation or the value of the variable. An equation will always have one solution. An inequality is going to have many solutions. Okay, so we're not just going to have x equals 5, but we could have x is greater than 5. So any number greater than 5 might be a solution. Okay, we'll see how that looks as we move along here. So equations had one solution, and inequality will have many solutions. We're going to start out just as we did with our expressions and our equations, and we are going to write an inequality to match each of these statements below. So here we go. Number 1, a number m is greater than 40. So we would have m is greater than 40. Number 2, the product of m and 17 is less than 100. So product tells us to multiply, and less than 100. 17m is less than 100. Number 3, you will have no more than 2 hours of homework. Okay, so we'll use H to represent the hours of homework. And if we have no more than 2 hours, that means we could have less than 2 hours, or it could be equal to 2 hours. It would be okay if we had exactly 2 hours of homework or anything less than that. So here's where we would use the less than or equal symbol. All right, you guys are going to go on to B2 and try some of these on your own. Good luck.